Sorry, everybody. My clock ran out ahead of time. So we're doing the last pack out of the last box of the 6-box Crown Royale break. Jersey card, emerald green of Kobe Fleener. Looks like it's a prime piece. It's got a patch on it. And it is numbered out of 49. Got a base card of Tim Benford and a base card of Greg Jennings. And then we've got an insert card of Carson Palmer. So since I had to start a second video anyways, let's just go ahead and go through the recap. Lots of base cards, lots of insert cards. So just quickly, in the non-base cards, we had a nice green Rod Streeter, some gold, some silver. There's another green Jarrell Worthy. Silver, gold, silver. There's an uncut die cut B.J. Cunningham. Silver, gold, silver. There's a purple Mark Tyler. There's a green Josh Robinson. Gold, silver, silver, gold, silver, gold, silver. All right, so that's all the parallel cards. Now the hits. Starting from the most recent, there's the Kobe Fleener again. Dual colors, 2 colors. Sorry about the focus. We got a LaMichael James Silhouette Redemption. We got a Terrence Ganaway Rookie Auto. We got a Bernie Kosar Legendary Silhouette. We've got a Rookie Royalty Michael Floyd. We've got a Rookie Signature Silver of James Hanna. Still trying to figure out who that belongs to. We've got a Rookie Silhouette Green, Trent Richardson. We've got a Rookie Auto of Corey Harkey. Rookie Auto of Garrell Robinson. We got a Sunday Soldiers jersey of Percy Harvin. We got this really nice Jarius Wright multicolor patch auto. We've got a Kevin Zeitler rookie auto. We've got Jarius Wright again in the rookie royalty insert. Thanks, Ben. So James Hanna is a Cowboy, for those that are watching. Andre Branch, rookie auto. Dwayne Allen from the Colts, silhouette patch auto. Another green rookie silhouette. This one is Stephen Hill of the Jets. Rookie auto of Corey Sensenbaugh from the Titans. Rookie royalty jersey, Trent Richardson. Vontaze Perfect, rookie auto. Mohamed Sanu, patch auto. Bill Bentley, rookie auto. Chandler Jones, Patriots rookie auto. A rookie silhouette silver, again of Stephen Hill. Vinnie Curry, Eagles rookie auto. And finally, Mohamed Sanu, rookie royalty jersey. So that's all the hits out of 6 boxes of Crown Royale football from Panini. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll get these packaged up and mailed out to you in the next 48 hours. If you haven't already, check out our website at dmpbreaks.com. For upcoming breaks, we scheduled our first hockey breaks for next week. So if you're a hockey fan, with the league coming back and starting Saturday, we're going to do some breaks next week. So check it out if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Give us a call at the store or email us through the website if you have any questions. Thanks, everybody.